Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and twin turbo V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Harold Zeigler. For a great experience, we're conveniently located at 11979 Fulton Street East in Lowell, Michigan.